Adobe Premiere Pro 2024 new features. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about Adobe Premiere Pro and all the new features that the new 2024 product has brought us. Now, Adobe has made extensive changes for your new release, from the rounded corner designs to enhanced exporting as well. So first of all, rounded corner design for timeline clips is available, where you get a new fresh design for timeline clips that's easier to look at all day long, requires less cognitive load to parse and understand, and makes it easier to see the boundaries between clips, which is pretty cool. Then you get better performance on different Apple and other devices. So let's say I'm going to add this design over here, right? Now, in this design, you can see that for every cut I make, it's perfectly visible. Before, previously on Premiere Pro, this was quite an issue because people were having difficulty seeing the cuts, which is pretty cool. They give you a well-rounded corner over it. Then moving on with the more new consistent features, you can pretty much go ahead and add different motion graphics and titles and replace them in your projects in different ways. Now, one more feature that they have brought us is the fact for text-based editing. So text-based editing is basically over here. You can first of all transcribe different clips of what's going on, okay? And once you've transcribed something, after transcription, what you can do is you can differentiate them, go ahead and auto caption it in different ways, and also remove different timelines from those texts. So these are all the total new features that Adobe Premiere Pro 2024 new release has brought us. So do go ahead and use these for yourself and let me know how you feel about them. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.